Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you 4 things that you are probably doing wrong in your Windows computer. So the first is about restarting your PC. You might think that the best option to restart your PC if you are having some issue is by shutting down your PC and then turn it on again. Well, that is not true, because the best option to do it is pressing the restart button, because closes all apps, turns off the PC, and then turn on the PC again. And this way, all the previous processes that were running in your PC will be closed, and then your PC will start from zero again. Instead, if you shut down your PC, actually the PC enters in some kind of hibernation, and some of the previous processes might start again. So maybe the issue you were experiencing might appear again. So the best option will be choosing the restart button, and your problem, if it's fixable with a restart, will be solved. The second tip will be not reading the installation options when you are running an installation of a program you just downloaded or a program you want to install. So usually, if you don't read the installation options, you end up installing some toolbar in your browser or some app that you don't know what it is. And if you continue doing this process of installing apps without reading the installation options, your computer might be full of garbage, basically full of programs that you don't need, toolbars and extensions in your browser that you don't know what to do with them. So if you just read maybe in the advanced options in the installation, you will find all these things I'm talking about. So all you have to do is just read carefully and just install the application you want, and not everything that comes with the installation. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is the customization of the start menu. As you see, I have some group with the name work in it and all the apps I use to work. Then I have some productivity group with the calculator, photos, the notepad, and below I have a gaming group with all my games, and also Spotify, Discord, and Steam, some apps that are related to my games. So it's really important to have the start menu personalized, because this way you can enjoy your computer in a better way. Because if you have your start menu personalized, you will find faster the apps you usually use. So to personalize the name of each group, just double click on one of them, and here you can modify the name. Then you just have to press the enter key and it will change the name. To personalize the size of an application, just right click on one of them and then select resize and choose small or medium. If you choose small, this will be the result, so you can put a lot of apps in different sizes. You can also remove an app from this list by right clicking on it and selecting unpin from start, and this way you will be personalizing your start menu and doing your computer most similar to you and the things you do with your PC. Alright, so moving on with the next item on this list, I'm going to talk about the startup program. So something very common is not checking the applications that start at the beginning of Windows. This can result in a slower startup of the computer. Therefore, what you have to do is review these applications in the task manager and check which one of them is necessary and which one is not for the startup process of the computer. All you have to do is just right click on your taskbar and select task manager. Then you just have to go to startup, and here you can review and check all the applications that are enabled at the start of Windows. If you want to deactivate an app, you just have to right click on it and then select disable. The same goes if you want to activate an app that is disabled now. You just have to right click on it and select enable. Here at our right, we also have some measure about the impact in the startup process. So for example, we have some apps that the impact is low and some other that the impact is high. So it's up to you deciding which app do you want at the start of your PC. Once you have everything configured, just close the task manager. And that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.